how to set the color information, profile picture size to large or small on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And on the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the More button at the top, and then tap on Settings from the menu. Now in Color Settings, we go down and tap on Color Information. Next, tap on Profile Picture Size. Then from the pop-up, tap on Large or Small. So this is what it looks like when you choose Small. And if you select Large, this is what it looks like. It has the name at the top and a profile picture at the bottom. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.